We are laser focused on ensuring that we never fall behind and that we remain relevant in our customers' eyes. Frank Mackay, and I am Jabil's Chief Supply Chain Officer. About 70% of our revenue is material acquisition, so our CEO recognised the importance of the impact that supply chain can make and just how fragile the world is. We've been investing in technology to allow us to run this complex supply chain ecosystem. In the upstream, 450 customers, in the downstream, 38,000 suppliers. Every one of those, we need to understand who they are, what do they produce, what their capabilities are, what their capacity is, what investments are they making, can they keep up with the demand, can they keep up with the technology that we need. We're out there every single day using technology to understand those capabilities, and we've invested heavily on that end-to-end supply chain ecosystem to ensure that when customers come to us, not only to trust us to build and manufacture the products or engineer those products, but actually manage their supply chain for and on their behalf. We are that safe pair of hands that will continue to invest in technologies that make sense going forward.